Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for the Refresh Your Space with Earth Tones collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jean Home Decor and More, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Debbie Bubbles, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these wonderful channels. They'll all be listed below, as well as any other participants. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd like to say a very special thank you to Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Anna worked so hard putting all of these collaborations together, and we're all very grateful and very appreciative. I'm gonna get busy decorating my home. I just put my 4th of July decorations away. I had all of the bright colors, and now I'm ready for something subtle and relaxing. I want my home to feel fresh and clean for the summer. I'm gonna put out some soothing decorations that are calm and peaceful. Summer is the perfect time for flowers. Let's take a look at some other earth tone inspired spaces. I'm so happy you're here. I had such a wonderful time participating in this really fun collaboration. Be sure to check out all of the participating channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.